Box Fan Expo.
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 Hopefully I get to see Errol, Spence, Mikey, Garcia, Roy Jones, and Marquez, and Barrera, Morales.
Sugar Ray Leonard. My name is Stephen Jones. I'm from England. I've been coming to the Expo for the last 3 or 4.
You know, this is already the 3rd year that I do it, and it's just getting bigger and bigger, better and better.
Juan, Manuel, Marquez, Dinamita, what do you think?
I feel very excited because many people is coming for my table, and I feel happy.
I'm with none other than the greatest fighter for me, Roy Jones Jr. What do you think about the Expo, brother?
Man, I think the Expo was fabulous this year. I really enjoyed being here. So good to see so many beautiful people, so many beautiful boxing fans. It just was a great thing. I thank people for staying after me to get me to come because I really appreciate it here and I love feeling appreciated.
Sugar Ray Leonard, the only sugar that I know of. And he's at the Box Fan Expo. What do you think of this craziness, this madness right here?
Just an appreciation of the love and the respect these fans have for us, and life is good.
The baby face, Assassin.
Very happy. I spent many people coming. I'm great. Maybe next year if I
Maybe?
need, right back.
For sure.
Okay, sure, right back.
He's coming back again every year.
Muy feliz de estar con todos los campeones y pasarla bien.
I really enjoyed myself. And just appreciation of all the fans coming out, man. Thank y'all for y'all support.
And this is a great turnout. It's unbelievable. I didn't think it would be this crazy, but I'm thankful to be here, and every year I'm coming back.
It's been very cool so far. Everything's good. I met a lot of nice people, and it's been jamming. Siempre recibí muchas bendiciones, siempre el apoyo de Chavez, Chavez, Chavez.
I love that Box Fan Expo. It's been so much fun.
And I want to say to all my fans, much love. Thank you for everything you have done for me.
We have Mayweather Promotions brand. We also have TMT, the Money Team. We're Mayweather Promotions, the Money Team. We have Mayweather Sport.
Everyone thanks us for coming. We want to thank you for putting it together.
Thank you.
And just making a way for them to reach us and touch us, and for us to be here.
He's the first guy who ever said, this is the Box Fan Expo, the Super Bowl of boxing. Remember that?
That's exactly what it is. All the fans, all the fighters in one place, and it doesn't get any better than this. I got my own booth, selling my own brand. It's my shirt, my hat, guys.
Beautiful stuff.
Thank you everybody that came out. Thank you for all the fans that supported. Thank you. We're going to make this even bigger in 2020. Come see us. Box Fan Expo. We out.